Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to set auto conversions when rates are favorable in WiseJar. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to set an automatic currency transfer conversion on your Wise, then all you gotta do is simply go and open your Wise, and you can simply use the auto conversion feature in your Wise account when rates are favorable. So this allows you to select a specific exchange rate. Once you have done this, your Wise will automatically perform the conversion if that rate is met or exceeded. So you can simply select the source by tapping on their website or application by choosing the currency balance or jar from which you want to convert the money from. Start the conversion process, choose the auto conversion section and enter the details like amount, currency, desired rate, and confirm and wait. So this is how you can simply set auto conversions when rates are favorable in WiseJar. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.